Well, first I flutter my eyelashes.
Excellent.
Then I get to flutter my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna flutter my eyelashes too.
Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back once again. Oh yes, once again. So the lashes we're going to be talking about today are the new Chemise Lash Couture. These are the Triple Push-Up XL collection. We have two of these newbies. I cannot wait to talk about these lashes, y'all. I just cannot wait. These are gorgeous, beautiful, just so elegant and very, very dramatic. Very, very extreme and dramatic. So before I jump all the way into these cuties, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. So let's get right on into these lashes. All right, so the first pair is going to be Plunge. With these lashes, they do say they're 25mm influencer favorite right there at the front. And oh, they just got the beautiful lashes on her. These are a triple design technology, 3 lash designs in 1 strip. Oh, they're 3-dimensional. We love that. And they say they're lush volume, extra length, and lavish curl. So let me read what they say exactly on the Kiss website. These do retail for $6.99 on the Kiss website. Lash Couture Triple Push-Up XL Collection. A lusciously long length and volume. Oh yes. For a trendy glam look. These are a push-up bra with a eye-lifting curl, high volume, multi-angles, and now an extra long length. The lash lovers have been stacking their lashes to achieve the IG perfect lash. The Triple Push-Up XL collection proves and provides the same trending look in a single strip lash, making an instant influencer fave. And these are also contact lens friendly, by the way. So these are that 25mm, like they said, influencer favorite. So I guess people were stacking the Kiss lashes. I mean, I kind of done before too. I'm not too mad at that. But these can't be stacked. These had to be made individually. These lashes are just nice and full. These literally have a beautiful curl to them. Again, they have that lavish curl, the extra length, and that lush volume. The lash band is not uncomfortable, but you can tell, you can feel the lash band. So that's one thing about these lashes that I do really like. They're not invincible band, but they're not unbearable either. So that's one thing. It holds up all those extra volume and all the lashes on there. So I do like this one. The name Plunge is an interesting name for that. It does have that volume to the eyelashes. I'm telling you, like, this thing is so amped up. Like, it's an extra push-up bra. That's a good explanation of it because they are not lying. This thing is the business. Like, they are hardcore with this. This thing is huge on the eyes, like huge, beautiful, and I can feel them, but they are not unbearable at all. The lash band is quite comfortable for all the hair that's stacked on there. And also to define 25mm drugstore, girl, these are cute, real cute. And then how stacked it is and a nice little flippy curl. These plunges are so cute. These are the more fuller ones. I recommend you like that fuller kind of 25mm lash. You can get this one just in CVS right now. I pay $7.99 in CVS with like a little coupon, but then on their website it's $6.99. So, you know, $1 difference. This is a very glam look. They are very right about that, but I love how full, and they are stacked Stacked. This is a big lash. It doesn't weigh it down your eyes though. So it's like super stacked, but not weighing down. It's like volume crazy. The volume's crazy on these lashes. This gorgeous. I love this one. And the last but not least, this one is Chemise. I hope I'm saying it right. Chemise. Either way, I have them on right now, guys. Y'all, these are my favorite lashes. These are my new favorite volume va-va-voom. Look at this lash. This lash is insane. Again, I love the natural long PC, but give you a little volume. Look at that curl. Boing, boing, boing. This curl is intense. This is a huge natural lash. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I love this lash, y'all. It is intense. It is glam. This, if I walk around with this, I look like, well, I just look like I'm red. So this does break up. This has more of the PC effect versus the Plunge lash. Oh, she's so pretty. This one is more of a natural version of the Plunge. So it doesn't have as many double stacked layers, but it does have those PC areas. And also in the front, it gets a lot lighter compared to the back. And I love that because it makes it look more natural, even though we know this is not natural. It's a long, long lash. I love this. This is just glam. This is very much Instagram baddie glam. Like, this is an insane lash. And it's drugstore. Like, these are 25mm, sweetie. These are it. Look at these like, you cannot tell me anything. Like, look at these lashes. These are gorgeous. Like, this to me is a full glam. For 2021, this is it. Like, look at these lashes. This is 2021 favorite. This is beautiful. This is my favorite. It is so PC, but so natural, and then long and lengthy and curly. This is the best. I don't have no lashes like this. And I don't think I never will again. Going right in my collection. All right, y'all. And I forgot to mention too, I will have to snip it a little bit off of these, but I'm keeping those pieces a little elongate somewhere else. But that's the only thing I have to cut these down a little because they are that volume. But I love these regardless. These were just fabulous, very glam, very just, they had the flow to it. They had that pow to them. And I can't take these lashes off. I love them. They're so fluttery and they tickle your brows. Ooh, I like that. So guys, I really do like these lashes. I enjoy them. I wish they come out with more XL push-up. There's kind of like a push-up, extra push-up bra for your lashes because these two, it's kind of random, just two. So I really hope they come out with more because they are fabulous. These are amazing, amazing lashes. Again, guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Do you like these 25mm styles for drugstore? Do you see that for 2021 now? Do you see that is the vibe? And also, don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.